You're bidding on a KWIK-WAY. This is a valve seat tool, cutter, installer, taker, outer, putter, inner, whatever you want to call them. Pretty good set here. Those are levels, some drivers. I got individual shots. There's 18 cutters. They're all in real nice shape. Some of them are new. They range 1 3/16 to 2 1/4. Here's the inserters and these things. What I don't know what half of the stuff is, but this is what it is. Box is pretty nice. I'll just put this stuff in here and close it up. You could use a cleaning. It'll clean up nice. This is what it is. This item has a shipping weight of 95 pounds, 26 by 14 by 14. Good luck bidding.